Printer compatibility. For use with HP printers, Deskjet F4180 PSC 1410 Deskjet F2280 Deskjet D2360 Deskjet D1560 Deskjet D2460 Deskjet F380 Officejet 4315 Deskjet D1460 Deskjet F370 Deskjet F2180 Officejet J3680 Deskjet D1360 Deskjet 3940 Deskjet F300 Deskjet 3920. Low ink warning. When installing this cartridge, it may prompt as low ink, previously used or ink has been depleted. This is very common with remanufactured cartridges as the ink gauge cannot be reset. To resume printing, click OK or continue through any prompts. If your printer has an LCD screen, press OK on it. Used or counterfeit cartridge detected. If you receive an error asking if the cartridge was sold to you as a new genuine HP branded cartridge that has not been previously used, answer truthfully no to dismiss the message. Depending on the prompt you see, you can also click OK to continue printing. This is a remanufactured product. Remanufactured ink cartridges refer to cartridges produced from recycled empty ink cartridges after disassembling, inspecting, cleaning, reassembling, refilling, and quality assurance testing to ensure optimal performance. One color cartridge. Top reviews from the United States. Fit perfectly. Perfectly fit my old HP 5610 SHI. Printed immediately. No issues with recognition. I am keeping track of number of copies. Will re-review if count super great or bad. Thanks.